Hey guys, got a tree of heaven here. I'm repotting it. So before we repot it, we gotta get rid of that root. Take that root out. Reason why I cut that root off, and the reason why I'm going to cut this root is because they are too high on my root plane, too high on the root, on the trunk. And so what we're going to do is lower them up. See, that looks a lot better, doesn't it? So if you look at it, we got bring all the roots on the same root plane. That way when we pot it up, it'll look better. So we'll just do our best to clean this up the most level we can to the trunk. Has some nice roots growing.